Who says knitting machines can stick have harm? Can knit your furry friend Esther's face into a cozy pillow? The LK150 says Jacquard letters and Intarsia cuts create a dreamy blend, making every stitch irresistibly charming. Select 80 needles. Push them to position A using the push plate. Use the spare thread to start. Then knit a few rows in plain stitch. Switch to dark blue and knit 102 rows. Follow the diagram. Switch to white and knit 2 rows. Follow the diagram. Push the selected needles to D for Jacquard knitting. Set the rustle lever to position 9 and thread the white yarn. Knit a row of tuck stitch and return the head to its start. Move the rustle lever back to position 8. Adjust the side cam lever to position O. Insert dark blue yarn into the feeder and knit a row of missed stitches. Push dark section needles to D position as per the diagram. Load white yarn and switch to tuck stitch mode. Evenly hang white floating yarn on hooks. To avoid tangling and interference, knit a row of tucks and return the carriage to the left. Switch to mistitch mode with dark blue yarn. Knit missed stitches, moving needles to D position as shown. Push the machine head for a row of tuck knitting. Then do a row of missed stitches. Repeat both steps as directed. Continue until the Jacquard letter knitting is done. After finishing the Jacquard letter knitting, use a crochet hook to secure the long floating yarn. Attach it to its corresponding needle. This avoids pattern distortion from long floating yarn. Knit a rows with white yarn, then remove the yarn. Switch to the AG11 Intarsia carriage. Push the Intarsia carriage to create a blank row. Shift the needles to C. Thread the colored yarn as per the diagram. At the 8th needle on either side of center, thread black yarn. Thread deep blue yarn on both sides. Push the carriage to knit one row, following the diagram for threading. Start by knitting in this row, from the 5th to 8th needles on either side of center. Using white yarn, follow the diagram to thread black yarn and deep blue yarn for the remaining sections. Push the carriage to knit a row, following the chart, and continue until the 9th row ends. Now the black cat's eyes are complete. Continue knitting as per the chart until the 24th row. Start knitting in the 25th row, the 2nd and 3rd cat's patterns. Finish the first cat by the 27th row. Then follow the chart. Arrange the colors for the second and third cats, as per the chart, and knit. The chart shows more colors added here. Use Jacquard to simplify the process. This is the Jacquard stringing. Follow the chart for Intarsia knitting until the 54th row. As per the chart in the 54th row, use Jacquard for the kitten's eyes. This demonstrates the Jacquard knitting for the cat's eye. Feel free to give it a like. Give it a like. The cat's eye Jacquard knitting is done. Now continue as per the diagram, with the cat's Intarsia knitting. Use the diagram to follow the Jacquard knitting method for the letters. The Jacquard knitting for the letters at the bottom is done the same way. Once the jacquard knitting is done, use a crochet hook to weave in the excess floating yarn and attach it to the needle hook. After knitting 2 rows with the white contrasting yarn, switch to the main color yarn and knit 4 rows. After knitting a few rows with the spare yarn, remove it from the machine. This is the Intarsia cat knitting result once off the machine. Attach both sides of the fabric to the needle hook for sewing. Use the grafting stitch to join the fabric seamlessly on both sides. Your very own cat pillow is here. Now, your knitting machine also brings the cozy warmth of a cat sub's cuddle.